UKLM, move out the way.
One sec. Yummy.
So can you move now?
Let me think. No. Does Forg really have to come?
The hell is Forg?
You know what I meant.
Whatevs.
Do. Where am I? Hopefully somewhere cute.
KLM, how you do?
Your ass off the runway. Ouch, my butt. Ouch. Hey, get back here, you bitch.